Welcome to Physical Product Catch. In this video number 11, we are going to discuss about the SEO, offsite SEO. In the earlier video, we discussed about on-site SEO. Offsite SEO means links from other websites pointing towards your website. When someone points your website from their website as a reference or any other thing, it's called a link from the other websites. It is also a oath, a oath for your website. So Google sees all around the web which sites is pointing towards the other sites. So when you get more links from other websites, that means you are getting more votes from the other websites, and Google will basically rank your sites more because of its popularity, and it deems that the website is of high quality. So some of the basic link building for the offsite SEOs are, as I mentioned here in the slide, social bookmarking, blog commenting, article submission, press releases, forum links, and links from Web 2.0 sites. So we can get these type of links by doing some work from ourselves and make the link pointing towards our websites. In the earlier year, there was Google updates like Google Panda update and Hummingbird updates, which has devalued the links because of the paid links and other tactics which are not acceptable by Google. But even though these kind of updates have happened, these links are still important and it is valuable. You don't have to ignore everything, and you don't want to rely exclusively on this. That's why I have separated the offsite SEO into two parts. One is a basic offsite SEO and advanced strategies. In the basic SEO strategy, social bookmarking. So when you go to the Google and search for the social bookmarking, so there are several sites which we can put our site in social bookmarking sites. Some of the social bookmarking sites are like Bibsonomy, Blinklist, Delicious, Stumble Upon, and there is heaps, Digo, and like this. There is heaps of sites of like Furl or those kind of sites. 10 to 15 sites are very important sites, and there is a heaps of sites available. So you can register free account with these sites when you go to the dig and register a free account and then drop your bookmarking there, so informing about your sites and placing a link. So that's how you can get a bookmarking link. The second one I've said is a blog commenting. Blog commenting is commenting on someone's blog. For example, here I have taken a blog where there is comments available. See here, some of the people have commented about the blog post. So you can find relevant blogs related to your niche or product, and then go there and comment on that thread and put a link to your website. But but it should not be a blatant advertisement as such. It should you should put the link in such a way that it is adding to the conversation, and so that the blog owner will approve it. So any link from the blogs is also valuable. And the next technique is article submission to the article sites. Article sites like eZine articles, article go articles, article city, those kind of article websites. You can go and create a free account and put your articles into that. So you should have unique articles, and in below the unique articles you can place your link to the website. So any people reading the article, for example here articles about appreciation of the Kia Corporation, so some article, and that is called a bio page where he gives about the website. So for example here peggynelson.net has been linked. So very similarly you can write about your website and link to the articles. So even though it's not having a very high value nowadays, but it has some value. You can do some portion, some percentage of your marketing efforts towards article contribution through, and you can submit the articles to Go Articles, Ezen Articles, Article City, basically 4 5 article sites. And the next one I'm going to discuss is the press release distribution. This is a press release is releasing about your website and the products and what we discuss about. So you can release a press release, and it is a third party authority, and which it has a very high value in place of search engine, in the search engine. So there are two popular press release sites. One is PR Web, which is a paid site, so you have to pay for your press releases. And there is another one called prlog.org, which is a free PR press releases. You can do press releases here. So press release is completely a third-party authority, and it has a very good high value in for the search engine purpose. I have experienced a very good search engine ranking by using the PR logs. The next thing we are going to discuss is the forum links. So forum links are the links which, based on your products, you can go to the forums. Any, for example, if it is a dog related product or dog or cat related product, you can go to the dog forums or a cat forum. You can search in the Google for the forums. When you go to the google.com and search for dog forums, you will find a lot of forums like this, and just go and register in the forum and involve in the conversation is more important. If you just put advertising just for the blatant advertising links, just for the link building purpose, you will be banned from the forum. So what you have to do is you have to involve in the conversation, and then you have to present your website in such a way that it flows naturally, and you will get a very good links from the forums. So that is a very good authority. A lot of forums are there for every niche, and you will get a very high quality links. But the most important thing here, you should not advertise blatantly. You should involve into the discussion and then drop your links. And in the forums, you will also get a signature link which you can use effectively for your link building purpose. And the last one in the basic link building strategies are Web 2.0 sites. Web 2.0 sites are the sites like blogger.com, wordpress.com, where you can drop the article and linking to your sites. For example, there are various Web 2.0 sites available. So if we go to Google and search for the Web 2.0 sites, in this site they have given these are all the Web 2.0 sites like wordpress.com, weebly.com, blogger.com, tumblr.com, typepad. So all are very good sites. You can select squidoo.com and webs.com, and these are all very good high PR blogs. You can register these blogs. Not really you have to enter in all the blogs like 50 60. There are plenty of blogs are there, so you can select a few like 10 or 12 and then put a unique content in all the places and then link to your sites. So these Web 2.0 links will have a very good value. So if you have the time and you can do it manually, and if you have a little bit of cash, if you want to outsource these basic link building strategy, the very important site I suggest you is the Fiverr.com. In the Fiverr.com you get to do your work, whatever you want, like a bookmarking, a press release writing, or article writing, or creation of Web 2.0, link building purpose. All this you can get for $5. Someone will do it for $5. For example, if you search for social bookmarking, and you will get a lot of people providing for that services based on their score. See here, they score 6,000 plus. So these are very popular gigs. They call it as gigs. Croc service is a very popular. I have personally used Croc service. They are very good, and they put 75 PR3 to PR8 SEO link wheel. So these are all very important. But you don't have to do too much. You can do one by one slowly. You have to build the links very slowly and consistently. If a new site has hundreds and thousands of links in 5 to 10 days like that, Google will raise a red flag on that. So you have to build these type of links very slowly and consistently, like every 10 days, every 15 days. Slow and steady and consistency is more important in building the offsite SEO link building. So these are all the basic link building. You have to do this for your website. That will definitely result in a high ranking. If not immediately, slowly it will pick up one by one. And in the next video, I will discuss about the advanced strategies on the offsite SEO, which is very important because nowadays Google is looking for these advanced strategies, and that's why I have put that into a separate video number 12, so that we can discuss a little bit in detail and you can take action on that. So that's it for this video. This is a basic link building. Do all the steps I have told you and do it slowly and consistently. If you have a little bit of cash, you can definitely outsource it in the Fiverr.com, like 1 week social bookmarking, 1 week press release, and another week some forum links and some web 2.0 link wheels like that. So that's it for this video. We will see you in video number 12 on advanced offsite SEO strategy.